Amazon is a multinational technology company based in Seattle, Washington. It is one of the world's largest online retailers and provides a wide range of products and services to customers around the world. Amazon has several business segments, including e-commerce, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. One of the key strategies of Amazon is to focus on customer satisfaction. The company strives to provide customers with a seamless and convenient shopping experience, whether they are shopping online or in one of its physical stores. Amazon also prioritizes fast delivery and easy returns, which helps to build customer loyalty. Another key strategy of Amazon is to invest heavily in technology. The company is constantly working to improve its website, mobile apps, and other digital platforms to make them more user-friendly and efficient. Amazon also uses data analytics to personalize the shopping experience for individual customers and to improve its marketing efforts. Amazon has several ways for individuals and businesses to earn money. One popular method is through the Amazon Affiliate Program, where individuals can earn a commission for promoting and selling Amazon products on their own website or social media channels. Another way is to sell products on Amazon through their marketplace platform. Amazon sellers can create their own store and sell their products to customers. Another way for businesses to earn money on Amazon is through Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS is a collection of remote computing services, also called web services, that make up a cloud computing platform, offered by Amazon. These services operate from 12 geographical regions across the world. Businesses can use these services to host their websites, store data, and run applications, among other things. Overall, Amazon's success is due to its focus on customer satisfaction, investments in technology, and its diversified business model. The company continues to expand into new markets and industries, and it is likely to remain a major player in the technology and retail sectors for many years to come.